In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to plan a vacation. Imagine taking the stress out of vacation planning by using an AI assistant to suggest the most breathtaking destinations tailored to your specific preferences. Let's dive in and explore how to make that happen. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and head over to Google. It's a common starting point for most of us when we're looking for information online. Simply type ChatGPT into the Google search bar. This will bring up a list of results related to ChatGPT, which is the AI tool we'll be using to plan your upcoming trip. As you might know, ChatGPT is a highly advanced language model developed by OpenAI, designed to assist with a wide range of tasks, including vacation planning. Once you've typed ChatGPT into Google and hit enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look through the options until you find the official ChatGPT website. Click on the link to enter the site. You'll find yourself on a user-friendly interface designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. With its intuitive setup, you can easily navigate through the options available. The next step is where it starts to get really interesting. Now, in the designated text space on the ChatGPT website, you can type your prompt. Be as detailed and specific as you'd like. For example, if you're planning a romantic getaway for a couple in their 20s from San Francisco in December, you might want to type, "Suggest romantic destinations for a couple in their 20s traveling from San Francisco in December." This will give ChatGPT enough context to generate suggestions that are most relevant to your needs. Feel free to modify the prompt to suit your preferences. This step gives you the freedom to explore a wide array of ideas tailored specifically for you. Once you've entered your prompt, the next thing to do is simply click on the Submit button. This sends your request to the AI, which processes the information and compiles a list of suitable vacation ideas. The recommendations you'll receive are drawn from a vast pool of knowledge, encompassing popular travel destinations, hidden gems, cultural experiences, and more. The suggestions might just give you some creative ideas that you hadn't even considered before. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you have the ability to use ChatGPT to generate exciting ideas for your next vacation. This tool is particularly useful in offering a range of options you might not have easily thought of, saving you time and effort in your planning process. Whether you're seeking an enchanting getaway or an adventurous excursion, ChatGPT can be a valuable companion in crafting the perfect travel itinerary. So why not give it a try and embark on planning your ideal trip with ease and creativity?